What are the requirements if you want to avail a unit here in Richwood Homes Negros? Primary Homes Incorporated, the developer for Richwood Homes Negros, is one of the developer that offers in-house financing. So these are the requirements for in-house financing. So first, we have to submit a 2 government-issued valid IDs with 3 specimen signatures. If you're married, so both the husband and wife should provide. Second is the verified TIN or Form 1904 from the BIR. So if you are married, so both husband and wife should provide the verified TIN. Then third, the birth certificate if you are single. Then fourth, marriage certificate, of course, if you are married. Then fifth is the proof of billing that indicates the address, and it should be the same address you declare in your customer information sheet. And take note, you can provide for the proof of billing either electrical bill, the water bill, or internet bill.